Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be taking a look at 7 best free website builders for portfolios. Number 7. Weebly. Weebly keeps things simple, which is exactly what most portfolio creators need. No-nonsense design tools, a clean drag-and-drop interface, and enough flexibility to make your work shine without you having to master code or design theory. It doesn't bombard you with options you'll never use, which is refreshing in a market where everyone wants to be everything. Templates are clean, responsive, and designed to let your content speak, not scream. You can tweak layouts, embed videos, and add galleries without feeling like you're diffusing a bomb. It even throws in some basic SEO tools so your portfolio doesn't live in internet obscurity. There's e-commerce built in too, just in case you decide to sell your art or freelance services straight off the portfolio. Because why not multitask while looking professional? The free plan gets you started, but custom domain support and deeper customization kick in with the paid tiers, which are still relatively affordable compared to other builders trying to charge you the price of a used motorcycle for the same features. It may not win any design innovation awards, but it delivers what most creatives actually need. A website that looks good, works smoothly, and doesn't throw tantrums every time you update a font. Weebly is like that one friend who never shows off, but always gets the job done right. Number 6. A Hostinger website builder. Hostinger's website builder is like finding out the quiet kid in class can actually build a rocket. It's fast, surprisingly powerful, and doesn't drain your wallet like some of its louder competitors. For portfolio creators, it's a breeze. You pick a template, customize it with their slick editor, and boom, you've got a site that looks like you hired someone expensive. The AI tools throw in an extra dose of magic, helping you generate content or layouts when your brain checks out. Speed is where Hostinger flexes hard, sites load fast, which matters when someone's judging your entire career in 6 seconds. You also get responsive design right out of the box, so your portfolio looks just as sharp on a phone as it does on a massive monitor. There's no wild learning curve, no hidden settings buried under 17 menus, just a streamlined builder that gets you online quickly and painlessly. It also doesn't nickel and dime you. SSL, SEO tools, analytics, all baked in like they actually care. If you want to launch a portfolio without the melodrama of overly complex platforms, Hostinger steps in like a calm, competent assistant who already anticipated your needs. Number 5. Squarespace. Squarespace walks into the room like it owns the place, and honestly, for portfolio websites, it kind of does. It's sleek, polished, and makes your work look 10 times more expensive than it probably is. The templates are borderline art galleries themselves, perfect for photographers, designers, illustrators, basically anyone trying to look legit without hiring a developer or selling a kidney. The editor is smooth, modern, and somehow makes you feel like you know what you're doing even when you don't. Fonts, spacing, layout, it all just works together like a symphony where you're the conductor, even if you only know 3 chords. It's not the cheapest option, but the price buys you peace of mind, fast hosting, solid SEO tools, and customer support that doesn't disappear when something breaks. And yes, it's mobile-friendly without you having to beg it. You can integrate forms, set up a blog, or even sell prints or services without switching platforms. It also plays nice with scheduling and email marketing, which means your portfolio isn't just a digital wall. It can be a fully functional business hub if you want it to be. Squarespace doesn't try to be everything. It just tries to be beautiful, stable, and quietly powerful, and it nails all 3 like it's not even trying. Number 4. Wix. Wix is like the overachiever in the group project who brings glitter, graphs, and snacks. It gives you everything, sometimes too much, but it means well. For portfolio building, that's not a bad thing. The drag-and-drop editor is super flexible, letting you place elements pretty much wherever you want, which is a dream until you accidentally shift your photo 5 pixels and spend an hour fixing it. But hey, freedom comes with a learning curve. The template selection is massive and stylish, and they're sorted by industry, so whether you're a tattoo artist or a UX designer, you'll find a layout that makes you look good. It offers a lot under the hood too: SEO tools, app integrations, analytics, and even an AI builder if you're feeling indecisive. Want to embed video, audio, a slideshow, or your resume in 3 different formats? Wix says go for it. It's also reliable, fast, and gives you mobile editing, because yes, your portfolio needs to look great while someone's creeping on it during a lunch break. The pricing is fair for what you get, but the free plan has ads, so if you're aiming for professional vibes, upgrade soon. Wix is not subtle, but it lets your portfolio be as loud, bold, or polished as you want it to be. Number 3. WordPress. WordPress is like the Swiss Army knife of website builders, extremely capable, occasionally overwhelming, but always up for the job. When it comes to portfolios, it offers more control than most platforms dare to give you, which is great if you like tinkering or just enjoy knowing you can break and fix things at will. Whether you go with WordPress.com or self-hosted WordPress.org, the ecosystem is massive. Thousands of themes tailored for creatives, freelancers, and professionals who want to showcase their work without turning into full-time web developers. You can install plugins for anything: galleries, SEO, contact forms, even lightboxes that make your photos feel like museum pieces. It's not drag and drop like some of the newer builders, but if you're willing to click around and explore, it rewards you with flexibility that most platforms can't match. Mobile optimization, custom domains, analytics, monetization, it's all there, sometimes buried under a few layers of settings, but it's there. And because it's so widely used, you'll never run out of tutorials, forums, or mild rants to help guide you. It's not the smoothest or flashiest, but it's powerful, reliable, and endlessly customizable. WordPress is for portfolio creators who want the freedom to build something unique, even if it means wrestling with a few plugins along the way. Number 2. Doric. Doric is like that minimalist friend who always looks effortlessly cool and never overdresses, clean, quiet, but stylish in a way that stands out. It's a newer player, but for portfolio building it punches well above its weight. The templates are beautifully simple, clearly designed by people who get what visual storytelling is all about. You won't find clutter or complexity here, just smart design choices, elegant typography, and layouts that let your work breathe. Editing is a breeze, and while it's not the Wild West of total customization like some platforms, that's kind of the charm. You get enough control to make it your own without getting lost in a rabbit hole of settings you'll never touch. The performance is solid, fast-loading, clean code, SEO built in, and it all plays nicely with mobile screens. It even supports custom domains and CMS features if you're feeling fancy. But what really makes Doric shine for portfolios is the ease. It doesn't try to impress with bells and whistles, it just quietly delivers a beautiful, professional space for your work to live. If you want to build something that feels curated rather than crammed, Doric shows up with just the right amount of everything and nothing more. Number 1. Kleep AI. Kleep AI feels like the intern who shows up on day one, builds a stunning website in 5 minutes, and then casually asks if you want coffee. It's that fast and that efficient. For portfolio creators, it's basically the shortcut you didn't know you needed. You answer a few questions, and suddenly there's a full-blown site staring back at you, already looking good enough to show a client. The AI handles layout, text, structure, like a web designer that doesn't bill by the hour. While it doesn't offer the deep customization of bigger platforms, that's actually a win for anyone who just wants to get online and focus on their craft, not their code. The designs are crisp and modern, mobile-ready, and surprisingly versatile considering how automated the process is. You can tweak content, add images, and rearrange sections without feeling like you're negotiating with a stubborn robot. It's ideal for personal brands, artists, freelancers, basically anyone who wants their work to speak louder than their tech skills. Plus, it loads fast and doesn't drown you in unnecessary options. Kleep AI isn't here to replace web developers, it's here to make sure you don't need one to look professional. And with this, we have reached the end of this video. Make sure to like it and subscribe the channel for future upcoming videos.